HVAC system maintains home comfort through heating, cooling, and air filtration. Ventilation brings in fresh air, while air handling units adjust temperature. The system controls humidity levels to create a comfortable living environment. HVAC enhances indoor air quality by filtering out pollutants and allergens. It goes beyond temperature control to ensure a healthy and pleasant atmosphere. Efficient HVAC systems help prevent mold growth and maintain optimal moisture levels. Proper ventilation ensures adequate airflow and prevents stagnant, stale indoor air. Heating elements keep spaces warm, while cooling systems maintain a refreshing temperature. Air filtration removes dust, pollen, and other contaminants for cleaner indoor air. HVAC technology promotes better respiratory health by circulating clean, filtered air. By regulating temperature and humidity, HVAC systems support occupant comfort and well-being. Airflow control within HVAC systems prevents musty odors and keeps air fresh. Air purification within HVAC units helps reduce allergy triggers in indoor spaces. Regular maintenance of HVAC systems prolongs their lifespan and efficiency. HVAC units offer customized climate control solutions tailored to individual preferences.